Abahlali base-Bramfisherville Extension 10 bacela ukungenelela okukhawulezileyo kumba wokuwa kwebholorho yasekuhlaleni. Kuxelwa ukuba yiminyaka isakhiwo sawohloka kwaye sixeliwe kurhulumente, kodwa akukabikho manyathelo athathiweyo. Uluntu luthi luxhalabile ngokhuseleko kuba abantwana badlala kufutshane nale bholorho kwaye abafundi basebenzisa indlela yonke imihla ukuya nokubuya esikolweni.
Ukushawa indiva uhulumeni kumise manzonzo umphakathi wase-Bramfisherville ku-Extension 10 njengoba ke kwabhidlika ibhlorho eminyakeni engaphezulu kwemihlanu eyedlule. Umphakathi wesabela ke ingozi engahle yenzeke uma ke le ndawo iqhubeka nokushiywa dengwane.
Sike sacela nje uJRA sakhuluma naye so many times, we even went to emasipaleni siyocela ukuthi at least babuye bazobarricade le bridge because it's very dangerous for ama-motorists including nabantu bandlula la, especially nabantwana bahlala with this area. They are playing around here and it's no longer safe. Into eke yavela lana ukuthi kuke kwaba ne-truck. I think it was carrying their goods and then they try to control this bridge and then it falls under the bridge and then whereby like go end up ukuthi lo umuntu uyalimala and then asikhona ukumnceda. And then we have tried like ukuthi singene ema-ofisini we-JRA where besicela ukuthi sicela basibarricade this bridge, which is no councillor yala ewadini uyazi ngale ndaba ye-bridge, and i-JRA since isitshelile ukuthi le strata sifelile and then siku-red tape and then kumele siyenziwe ngobusha.
For the past 6 years leli bridge licollapsile. Sicela nje simple ama-barricades to say imoto abantwana they are not safe kuleli bridge, but all gone to vains, nothing happened. So we don't know, last week they were here, all these MECs and councillors. I'm saying to all political parties, let's stop to visit our community Juma sokusondela ama-elections. It shows ukuthi si concern ngomphakathi wethu when it comes to voting, but when they need ama-services there's no one ozayo to the community. So leli bridge Nkokeli, we have been trying, sitting ama-meetings kuma-boardrooms, we are sick and tired. Sicela umphakathi wala London block, this is a time to say stand up, nilwela amalungelo wenu, because now siya kuma-election, we'll be knocking door to door sicela ama-vote, but ama-services especially London block, there's no services.
Lo mphakathi ukhala ke ngokuthi leli bhlorho aligcini ngokuba ingozi lona lodwa, kepha engaphansi kwalo kuhamba kamanzi agcwele indle nokubeka impilo yawo engcupheni kakhulukazi abantu asebekhulile kanye nezingane. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubeka umqondisi Miyeningi seBramfisher